Hey guys, it's Doug, Tech here at Z1 Motorsports, and today we'll be doing a 60-second install with a Z1 diff brace on our Q60. Step 1, we're going to remove these 3 lower bolts on the differential. Next, we're going to remove these 2 bolts on the bottom of the subframe. Next, you want to go ahead and grab your diff brace and the 3 supply bolts. They'll go in the lower portion of your diff. Now you want to gently pull down on this bracket. Begin to slide your diff brace in. Now you want to begin to thread in your 3 bolts to the lower diff. Start them, make sure they're all started, get them hand tight. Then next, just throw in the 2 bolts to the subframe. Now you want to begin to thread in your 3 bolts to the lower diff. Make sure they're all started, get them hand tight. Lastly, we just need to tighten up the 2 bolts to the subframe. This is a 60-second install with Z1 Motorsports.